Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be addressing a no spark issue on my personal chainsaw, MS270C Stihl chainsaw. I diagnosed it as having no spark, and I've been waiting for an aftermarket coil or ignition module that I thought I'd test out. And today we're going to swap it out and see if we can get some spark going again. As you can see, I'm going to try and show it on camera here. I'm going to ground the coil, or ground the spark plug, and pull it over. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but there's no spark. What happened was I started the chainsaw up, and just as it started up, I shut it off, and that seemed to have killed the coil on this one. I don't know why, but today we're going to try and fix that. The ignition module is seated right there underneath the Recoil's housing. So we're going to have to take out some screws. There's one there, one right down there, and one down there. Take those four out, and you can take the and just bend the chain brake just a little bit outside so you can get the cover off. There's your ignition module. You just have to take the kill wire off, and there's a screw right there and a screw right there. They are Stihl or Torx T27. Just take those two off. Take the ground wire off, and you can just take the whole assembly off. Now the coil is Stihl part number 1133 400 1350. That's the coil that I bought is this one. It's an aftermarket bought off eBay. Took 3 weeks, just over 3 weeks to get it. But let's see if we can get the old coil off. And there are a couple of washers down there, so make sure you don't lose these washers. There's one on each screw. And the coil comes right off. Make sure you take out the spark plug. Let's put the new, I'm going to move the magnets so they're not in the position, and I am going to finger tight or fasten the screws finger tight to the, before I use a business card, which is just about 10 thou, which is what the is recommended as a clearance or gap between the flywheel and the coil ignition module. And when I tighten up, I always use a hand screw or a hand screwdriver. Now I'm going to take the business card. I'm going to carefully put that in between. Take the magnet so it lines up. Just push it down a little bit so that it really makes a good contact. And always make sure that you fasten this bolt first, because that will make the momentum turn the the coil towards the flywheel. If you do it the other way, this could lift up and you have the incorrect gap. So tighten this one, and then tighten the one just down here. I don't have the torque specs, but tighten them pretty fast, but just don't overdo it. Okay, and turn the flywheel, and then you should have a perfect gap. Now I'm going to put the Recoil housing on, and let's see if, and of course put the kill wire on. I'm going to put the recoil housing on and let's see if we have spark. Okay, the recoil is on. Let's see if we have spark. It's very hard to pick up on the camera, but I can see a spark there. So let's continue and finish putting this back together and see if we can get it started. Two thumbs up, big success. So I will put a link to where you can buy the aftermarket coil that I purchased down in the links or down in the video description. I will put a link to one on Amazon, Amazon's choice, and one on eBay, the one that I ordered on eBay. I don't unfortunately have any wood that I can cut, so I can show you how it cuts. But soon, well, fall is right around the corner, so wood is coming, and I can do a test cut then. Thank you for tuning into my videos, guys. This was a fun one to make. I hope to make a lot of more videos like this in the future, as soon as I get used to this whole videoing and repairing and editing and all that stuff. I'm still learning. But anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you'll take the time to subscribe and share this with your friends. And always make sure to follow me on social media. The links are down in the video description. See you later, guys.